In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Lovable AE. If you've been wanting a clean, professional website without diving into code, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get it done using Lovable, an AI-powered builder at lovable.dev. Start by opening your browser and heading to lovable.dev. You'll land on the homepage where the main action begins. Look for the option to create a new project. This opens a fresh workspace and brings up the AI chat interface, which is where you'll guide the builder. Think of this chat as your creative brief. The clearer you are, the better your results. In the chat box, describe what you want to build. Share the purpose of the site, who it's for, and the core pages or features you need. Mention any tone or visual style you prefer, such as modern, minimalist, or playful. If you already have brand colors or a logo, reference them so the AI can align the design with your identity. Short, direct sentences work best. If you're not sure where to start, use a ready-made prompt. Try this. Build a responsive portfolio website with a home page, about page, project section, contact form, and social media links. Use a modern minimalist design. Paste that into the chat and send it. This gives the AI a structured request and ensures you get a complete mobile-friendly layout with the essentials covered. Once you submit your prompt, give the system a moment to work. The result may take a while, especially if you've asked for multiple pages or custom styling. While you wait, avoid refreshing the page, just let Lovable generate the first version. When your draft is ready, review it carefully. Start with the homepage and scan through each section. Replace placeholder text with your real content, add your images or headshots, and update project details and links. Open the About page to fine-tune your story and credentials. In the project section, check that titles, descriptions, and buttons are accurate and lead to the right places. For the contact form, confirm the fields you need and ensure the submit action is set up the way you prefer. If something isn't quite right, ask the AI in the chat to adjust the layout, colors, typography, or spacing. Small requests like make the header more compact or switch to a darker accent color work well. Finally, preview your site on mobile, tablet, and desktop to confirm responsiveness, and click through every link and social icon. Once everything looks and reads the way you want, you're all set with a polished website built by Lovable AI.